The Woodworkers Square Guide from Robert Sorby ensures a clean, square cutting edge when sharpening chisels on the ProEdge. To set up the guide, firstly remove the safety guard and release the tension to remove the abrasive belt. Set the tool platform to the flat and level position at 90 degrees. Put the Woodworkers Square Guide onto the tool platform and ensure the two locking screws are loose, allowing the guide bar to move freely. Place a set square or triangle onto the guide. With the blade of the set square flat against the back plate, we can now set the guide bar up to the square edge and tighten the locking screws. Set the tool platform to the desired angle. Replace the abrasive belt, set the belt tension and ensure the belt is aligned. Now screw the safety guard back into place. For ease of use, place the belt assembly unit to a comfortable position. To sharpen a chisel, place it flat onto the guide with the edge of the tool against the guide bar. The chisel can now be sharpened. Even old, worn out and damaged chisels can be brought back to life using the ProEdge and the Woodworkers Square Guide. More information on Robert Sorby products can be found on our website and our YouTube channel.